Picture this, you're sitting in your living room, sipping coffee, and you suddenly think, I want to see a purple panda skateboarding on Saturn. 2 minutes later, boom, it's on your screen. Who's the magician? Generative AI. And today, we're diving into its magical world, without the boring tech jargon, I promise. Part 1. What is Gen AI? Generative AI is like that super talented friend who can write poems, draw pictures, and even remix music all while you're still deciding what to have for breakfast. Except this friend is a computer. It's an AI that doesn't just analyze stuff, it creates stuff. It learns from massive datasets, like books, images, music, and then generates new things that feel human-made. Think of it like feeding a robot all the Marvel movies, and it writes you a new superhero story, complete with epic fight scenes and witty one-liners. Part 2. How does it work? Okay, quick science moment, don't zone out. Generative AI uses something called machine learning. It studies patterns in data and predicts what comes next. Like how Netflix knows you'll binge another true crime show right after you finish the last one. Models like GPT, text, and Dall-E, images, are trained on huge datasets to understand context. For example, if you type dog dressed as a king, Dall-E combines its knowledge of dogs, crowns, and royalty to give you this masterpiece. Part 3. Why is everyone obsessed with it? Because it's like having a superpower. Here's what generative AI can do. Writing, blogs, essays, scripts, even awkward texts to your crush. But maybe don't let it write your wedding vows, unless you're marrying a robot. Art and design. It makes wild, imaginative visuals. Need a logo? An abstract masterpiece? A cat wearing sunglasses? It's got you covered. Music. AI can compose music that sounds like Mozart, or the soundtrack to your next TikTok. Coding. Fixes bugs and even writes code for you. Yes, it's making some developers nervous. However, there is the not-so-fun stuff. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Generative AI isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Bias. If the data it learns from is biased, the output will be too. Like teaching a parrot bad words, it's going to repeat them. Copyright issues. Who owns an AI-generated masterpiece? The AI? The person who asked for it? The internet it learned from? Nobody knows for sure. Misuse. Deepfakes, misinformation, you name it. With great AI comes great responsibility. What's next? Generative AI is here to stay, and it's only getting smarter. The question is, how will you use it? To create? To innovate? Or just to see a panda skateboarding on Saturn? Either way, it's going to be a fun ride. End with a call to action. Tell me in the comments, what's the craziest thing you'd ask an AI to create? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech magic.